Hi everyone, I wanted to make a quick video on how to make a listing easier on eBay to create a template. I absolutely still list on eBay. It's a very big platform. It's a lot of people not to reach. The drawback on eBay for me is that the seller's fees. Yes, they are very pro customer, which is not bad because we want that too. And I offer 100% returns and everything, but sometimes you can get, a little, I don't know how else to say it besides screwed by by customers. But honestly, that can happen on any platform you use. But I love eBay because I reach a lot more people than I do on my website, and especially international buyers. And my sales, 45% of my sales comes from international buyers. It's actually shocking how much I sell to uh, Russia, China, and Japan, hands down, by just the most internationally, buy the most costume jewelry from me. I don't really sell a whole lot of fine jewelry, but I do sell a lot of costume jewelry to those three countries. I barely sell to England. I barely sell to France. I do sell to them, just not very much. But those other three countries, they love, especially clip earrings. I don't know what it is, and brooches. And since the US was huge in making these vintage and retro pieces, we're the place to get them. We can offer them for less, and they actually pay good prices for them, so it makes me happy to offer them. And another reason to sell on eBay is because it's very trusted. People trust in eBay. So we can sell beautiful pieces for good prices because eBay is backing the customer. I have my own website. I love it. And here it's ovm.shop. Here's my beautiful friend Andrea. She's a model in California, Andrea Pope. She allows me to use some of her photos. But I love this. I love my own site. I get to do a lot of my own things. I take my own photos, and I don't have the extreme seller fees. However, I still offer the same terms as eBay. However, people don't trust very easy. So, of course, they're going to trust eBay more, and that's fine. I can understand that. I'm a consumer as well, so I know what it is to trust. But I wanted to go and show how to set up a template so you can sell easier. So what you will do is hit your sell right here and then go to create a listing. I always go to single listings because most all of the things I have is just a one-on thing. And let's just say I'm going to create a vintage Coro brooch. So I'm just going to go, and here is, if you sell on eBay at all, you're very familiar with at least this much. I can do another one on how to list, period, if somebody would like me to do that, but I feel like most people already know. What I'm going to do, though, is go all the way down here to the description where you write an item's description. I feel like things sell a lot better right here, and it's kind of, I don't want to say bad, but like I see people go, vintage brooch, good condition. Whew. And that's fine if that's all you have time for, that's what you want to write. I just feel like people want to know more details. They want to know size, color, they want to know if the original stones are in there, or if stones are missing. Is it in good condition? Is it in bad condition? And all of that takes a whole lot of time. I know that. I've been doing it for a while, so trust me, when I say these things, I'm not saying it lightly, because I realize that we're all busy. I have a 3-year-old. I help my husband with his business. I have all the stuff I'm doing. So I want you to know, I know that it's hard to get this done, and I'm trying to help make it a little easier. You go to the advanced settings, that's setting over there, and here you can insert a custom template. I already have some made, so it's a lot easier for me to do it. But here's how you can make one for yourself. You go to create a template, and you can name it. I'm just going to name it, let's say, vintage jewelry. Now here is where you would type in something that you want on every one of your listings, and that can be whatever you want it to be. What do you say every time? If you just say vintage brooch, good condition, okay. That could be easy for you as well. But also, you can say some really great things, and I have one written out that I like to use to make my customers feel more confident. And feel free to rip it off if you want. It doesn't matter to me. It's just something I came up with. But I do take all of my photos in my workroom. And I take a lot of pride in that, because it's taken me a long time to learn how to do that. So I want people to know that I'm not using stock images. And I also want people to know that I test my gems and metal for authenticity. And my dog's barking. I don't know if you can hear that. And I accept returns and all of that. So I have that, and I already have it written out here on Word, and it's spell checked, because I'm really good at misspelling really crazy things. So I'm going to just copy it, and I'm going to go back, and I'm going to paste it right here. And now I have this great template for everything. Now, do I want to write more in there? I can, because I do, on my other templates, I have other things written. I like to say something like, most of our jewelry is vintage and should and has some wear due to use and age. Please let me know. Okay, that's just very general, but I'm just going to say create, because you can put whatever you want in here, and it just comes up, which is amazing. Look at that. Vintage jewelry right there. Now I can say beautiful Coro brooch circa 1940s, original stones, clasp works well, measures 2.5 inches. And I mean, right there, this whole thing, and this is how much I had to actually write after I made the template, which is amazing, because this right here I feel like is a world more information than what is on something that just says good brooch or something like that. And then people too can see you combine shipping, you accept returns, you do all of that. So now you have something here that is easy every time. And let's just show you, like, save draft. Obviously I'm just making this up, but let's go back to, I'm gonna sell. Create a listing, single listing. I'm going to go and I'm just going to type in brooch. Okay, so all our things we would fill in here. And then we get down to description and we're like, ugh, I got so much to write, but you don't. So all you have to do is go to your advanced settings, or advanced editing, sorry, and insert your template. I just made this vintage jewelry one. And there it is. it all comes up and you don't have to write all of that every time. Also, here's like another one of mine, full length. Um, and as you can see, I have a different thing in here, and I say this is, I don't know, it's just another little extra part that is easy for me. And I would say a lovely brooch, blah, 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 and this piece measures, and I could just type in 3 inches. Yeah, so you can do this template however you want. It's not just for jewelry, it's for anything. So I just wanted to show you how to make these templates. They're easy. I know that when my dad was trying to do this, it was very hard for him to type a whole lot, and I made him 3 or 4 templates, and a couple other people I've helped with their eBay business. I've showed them how to do the templates, and I just wanted to let everybody know that it's possible, it's easy, and it makes it a better experience. You don't want to have a terrible experience doing those things. And when you're working with, eBay, it's really nice to be able to list quickly so you can get more out of it. And I hope that helped you, and let me know if you have any questions or any suggestions for more videos. Alright, thank you. See you next time.